Okay, we're on our way to, where are we going?
The Beekeepers Open event.
The Beekeepers Open event. Come on, guys.
Come on.
So what's the Beekeepers Open event, Eliana?
Well, I have no idea. I'll have to go and find out.
Okay, guys, careful, careful, careful.
I don't know what it is really. I think there's probably going to be bees there, and we'll just have to go and find out. So my little sister wanted to make her own bee. So we went to this stall. The queue was quite long, but we managed to get there before people started to take an interest in it. So we were one of the first people there. And, well, she decided to make her bee. So what you do is, you had to take this, thing. They had a wooden spoon. You have to take the handle and get 2 colours of a pipe cleaner and wind it around the handle. So yeah, so you slide it off and it should be in a kind of springy shape. You can see that's what they're doing over here. And then you get a brown pipe cleaner and wind it around the head for antenna, and then get they have these brown pom-poms. You get it, stick it to the head, well, to be the head, as you can see my sister doing it in the video. Pick some eyes and glue them on. And then after that you can put some silver wings on by just looping it around the body. As you can see, it was really fun for my little sister, and she really enjoyed the experience of following instructions and learning how to do it.
Thank you, thank you, say thank you.
Say thank you, she did.
Oh, well done, well done.
To be honest, the smile was enough.
Ah, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Really well.
Let's have a look at that. What's that did you make?
It's a bee.
Wow, that's cool. Where do you want to go now? Observation lab.
The colony as well would be.
beehive, all of you beehive.
What does beehive mean?
Behave. Okay, what are you selling here?
I'm selling my soap,
Your
which
soap?
I make, which is duckfoots with chisel. That's one of them.
Excellent. Yeah, that's great.
That's very popular on social media at the moment.
Is it? What's that? Is that made of the wax from here?
No, beeswax. I don't put wax in the soap.
Oh.
Some of the soaps have honey. That one has honey in it.
Oh, honey. Okay, brilliant.
There's honey in that one because it's a good it's a moisturizer.
Okay.
And that one, the baby soap, that's a baby soap that has a moisture that has honey in it. I've sold so much I can't really show you much.
That's okay. No, that's fine. That's good. That's good.
I sold all my lip balms, which are brilliant, but I've sold them all, so sorry about that.
Oh, it's been a good day for sales then. Yeah, excellent. Good. Thank you very much. Hi. What's going on here then? What do you do?
We are doing a insect and bee anatomy workshop for Chicken and Beekeepers Day, and so kids are coming in and I'm breaking down the insect into its first components. So we're understanding what different adaptations there are on the head, from the compound eye, the antennae, the mandibles, coming to the thorax where the muscles are, and how all the legs attach to the thorax. How the thorax is sometimes longer underneath, so it does sometimes look like the legs attached to the tail, they're attached to the thorax.
Oh, you got that, girls?
Learning about,
You got girls?
learning about the segmented tail, comes from the worm.
Listen to the gentleman. Look, what's that? What's that there?
It's a praying mantis, yeah. So even here.
Wow.
So they've all got 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. Compound eyes.
I need a pencil. I want that.
Shannon, why aren't you showing you how to draw? Look, showing you how to draw.
Different colour. Purple one.
The heavens are broken.
The honey in, or they can put the eggs in here.
Right.
So they just literally just draw. So from that, it becomes like this.
Mind if that's right?
No, you're fine to touch it. Yeah.
Oh, I can see you've been printing.
Oh, that's fascinating.
Yeah.
But people will typically.
The honey section, let me just show you here. You've got what's known as the brood box. So this is where the queen will lay. And then you've got the queen excluder. So it allows bees to come through, but it doesn't allow for the queen to come through. So she remains in this box. So hopefully you won't get any eggs with the honey.
So here in the video, we are choosing our own backgrounds to print our own bees. There were flowery ones and ones of different hives. So we sat down in our chairs and the lady would roll ink on the bee stamps, and we would press them onto our background to make a nice picture of a bee. It was really fun and a crafty project, and both my sisters and me enjoyed learning how to do it and making our artworks. It was really fun and a new experience, especially for my little sister.
We just left the International Beekeepers Association Day, whatever it's called, wax festival. Oh, it was really good. It was really good. These got their cards. They've done little cards. I had a nibble of some wax. It's been really good.